Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? Hope you all are doing good. Summers can be exhausting and suck the energy out of you. Even the thought of leaving your home after sitting in front of the AC all day seems insufferable, right? So we decided to visit Nandi Hills, which is the most popular destinations in Bangalore because it is so close to the city but does not experience pollution as bad as other parts of Bangalore city. It started raining as soon as we reached there. Looking forward to enjoy this first vacation with our newborn. This is the room where we stayed. It was spacious and comfortable. It has everything that is required. One small wardrobe, a huge dressing area, two sofas with a coffee table, and a huge balcony. The washroom is also decent enough. But the balcony has the most amazing view. There are mountain peaks emerging from the clouds shining in blue sky among the white clouds. It looks so magical. We started at 1 p.m. from our house and reached there around 5:30. The hotel we are staying at the top of Nandi Hills is a government hotel. You have already seen the room. It became dark pretty soon, so we decided to have an early dinner. After dinner, we headed back to our room.
Me too. Hi. Hi. Me Shuna Bitu. उठ गया. Good morning. Good morning, Papa. Hello. Here is the Papa with the torch. Good morning, Shuna. Oh. Oh. Oh.
But first, let's check out the night view from the top of the mountain. The whole city was looking like a glittery diamond from the top. No camera can do justice to this view. This is something you need to witness yourself.
Princess, Ma princess, what you wearing? Oh Ma. Guy. Oh, you're so precious. क्या कर रही हो जी तुम? प्ले मम्मा का वेट खोल रही है। मम्मी की बेटी, मम्मा की बेटी। चल, आला वाला बच्चा, मम्मा का पहला बच्चा, मम्मा का पहला बच्चा, मम्मी का पहला बच्चा। गुड़िया, 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 गुड़िया।
After spending some family time, we were already tired, so let's call it a night because we have to get up early in the morning to see the sunrise. So, see you tomorrow. Good night. The sunrise is mesmerizing here. I never realized how beautiful and impactful these acts of nature could be. Imagine taking a walk in the clouds, feeling like a feather, enjoying the cool breeze on your face while you come face to face with the rising sun, counting the shades of yellow and orange in it, and then watching the sun play hide and seek till it is rubbed by the soft cottony clouds and the mist. For me, it was the sheer magic of nature that I thoroughly enjoyed watching. This is the time when one could see all the possible shades of life present on earth. Let this morning be the chance to escape the hustle and bustle of Bangalore. It's an opportunity to enjoy life, breathe freely, think and love. Be grateful for this beautiful day.
कहाँ आ गई हो तुम? कहाँ आई हो घूमी घूमी करने?
इसकी मसाज का प्रूफ।
अरे ये तो बड़ा हो गया।
We are all ready and now we are going to go out and explore Nandi Hills.
And we are going. Oh. We are going for breakfast. And Chotu is sleeping. Oh, sleeping beauty. So pretty. Everything is so pretty here. I also look pretty. Chalo. There are so many people.
The view from the top is always worth it. This temple has a huge Nandi statue. That is why the name of the hill is Nandi Hills. This is a place where mornings and evenings give you your magical moments of walking in the nature. A place where you are fully connected with nature and its ways. All in all, the beauty of nature around you, and there is no better place than Nandi Hills to do so in Bangalore. We were so tired after roaming around the whole day. That's why after lunch we went straight to sleep in the room. We woke up quite late in the evening and it was raining, so we decided to stay in the room itself because the weather will be too cold for the baby. Om had to go out to bring food and tea in the room itself because there is no room service here. That is the only problem that's there, and it's a major one. We can't neglect this. After dinner, we again slept early so that we could get up early in the morning, again enjoy the sunrise, and then we had to leave also. Spending your time doing nothing in the midst of mountain hills is one do nothing activity that lets you admire the beauty of nature around you. While walking in the nature, we enjoyed the sound of wind blowing swiftly, trees moving to the rhythm of wind, the colorful flowers, birds chirping. All this makes it so peaceful that one feels a sense of calm and tranquility here. It is truly a getaway from the hustle bustle of fast moving city life. Nandi Hills is famous for its magnificent view of sunrise between the clouds. You can also enjoy nature walk, picnic spot, good viewpoint for photography. It's a good place to spend time with family and friends. Also, there are lover spots, trekking spots, so youngsters enjoy going there a lot. Now we will be leaving from here. My baby is sleeping nicely. Baby ke father, baby ki mother. There is our car. Now we will leave. So that's where we stayed, in the middle of the jungle.
On the edge of the mountain.
Yes. Time to go home. Wakey, wakey, my girl. Oh, she does not like it. She does not want to go home. Eh? Don't you want to go home? You want to stay here in the nature? Did you enjoy? Oh, kya? Oh no. Oh no, mommy is taking me home. I don't like it. I don't like it. Say bye to everyone. Say bye. Tell everyone to like, share and subscribe to our channel. We will see you in our next one. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Bye guys. Bye. Bye कर दो. सबको bye कर दो. Bye. Overall experience was good here, but only major problem was there was no room service. So that is one thing that you have to keep in consideration while going there. We stayed at the top because we had a newborn with us and we did not wanted to travel much. So, and there is only one option at the top of the hill, which is the one that we stayed in, and that's a government one. And there are very few options also for food available. So yeah, that is one issue. But there are few resorts which is nearby Nandi Hills. You can choose, but that is like not on the top, but it's nearby. So you can travel in the morning to see the sunrise, and then in the meanwhile you can also enjoy the luxury of the hotel. Because if you're going to, enjoy or be outside, you would want some luxury. I mean, you would want to relax, right? You won't like to run here and there and then bring food, then water, then this and that. Since my child is on breastfeed, it was easy for me. Otherwise, if she would have been on formula, it would have been very difficult for me because there was no room service. I mean, from hot water to everything, I have to bring it. So that's kind of pain. Otherwise, apart from food, it was all good.